JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land.
Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I'm going to be reviewing a wireless microphone, lavalier microphone that sits here and communicates with a proprietary device that plugs into the bottom of the phone. This is a Type-C device. If you have a case on your phone, this will not work. You'll need to get an extender, a skinny extender, so you can actually plug it in and leave your case on. I'll have a link in the description below for both these devices. I've already tested them. We're going to test this to see how well it works. I purchased this because I need to review an automobile. I'm going to be reviewing the Mercedes-Benz EQE 350, and I want to be able to have a wireless microphone on me, just in case there's wind or whatever. I want you guys to be able to hear me properly without worrying about wind noise whatsoever. So this is a proprietary receiver, this little T portion here, and it has a Type-C charging port on the side. So if you wanted to charge your phone or record at the same time, so this is perfect for vloggers and be able to record things away from the item. Right now I'm using a shotgun microphone in the studio. I don't have a lav mic on me. So my studio has a Zoom shotgun microphone that's pointing directly to me, so I don't need to have a microphone on me to do the recordings for this. Because no matter where I go in here, it'll pick me up, because I didn't like to have wired microphones on me. It didn't allow me to be free to do it with my hands and get caught and the wire flies off or whatever, and I didn't want that to be visible. However, if you're doing single, I'm testing out this product. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase it. It's actually pretty inexpensive for what it is. I'm not sure the run time. We'll probably test that out too. And we're going to put it on, and we're going to go outside. It's very, very hot out today. Today's Sunday. What's today's date? June 23rd. And we're going to go outside, and we're going to see how well this is. I'm going to walk around the property. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, to be honest with you, it really doesn't need to go this far anyway. It's kind of ridiculous. I mean, but if it does go this far, it'd be pretty impressive. So remember, it's one line of sight. I have no idea what the frequency is on. Right, I'm just about to get to the stop sign, and I'll be waving when I get down there. Vibrator letting me know that it lost connectivity to the phone. Just about to the stop sign. And then I'll be communicating on the way back as well. So when I get to the stop sign, I'll turn around and wave. Now I'm waving. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm coming back. That's a substantial distance. If this microphone works that far, it'll definitely get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. I don't know what to say if this is actually working. What a hot day. Oh my God. Whew, I feel like I'm out of breath. We're just about to hit 20,000 subscribers, people. 20,000 subscribers. Huge milestone for me. I love technology. I love helping people. Fun times. Fun times, people. All right, we just about see the phone and the camera. Awesome sauce. Normally, you don't need to go this far anyway for a wireless microphone. Usually everything is pretty close up. So I'm going to walk straight to it and end it. I'll be really impressed. Like, holy crap. The range on this microphone is pretty impressive. I can't believe it. All right, so just so you know, the connectors that this comes with is Lightning to Type-C. So this will be like the extender. So if you have a case on your iPhone and you need to use it, you already have an extender on it, so it already puts it out. So you don't have to buy a separate type of connector. Unfortunately, it does not come with one for a Type-C, which I'm going to mention to manufacturers, because you have to physically buy one to use it for Samsung phones or even newer iPhones that have Type-C, because it'll extend it out like so, and this is what you need to actually use it, because you'll take the case off. It does come with a charging cable to charge the microphone. I'm impressed with this. This is going to be a very useful tool for doing vlogging and recording videos for you know, like if I'm going to use my cell phone, I'm not using a microphone on the cell phone, I'm using a microphone from this. So this is going to be very, very, very helpful in terms of just in general. If I wanted to use my cell phone to do recordings, now I can. I have this. It is a little bassy. I did notice that, but it also is noise canceling. So that's not something that you can modify or change. So whatever it is set to, it'll do, because it did not pick up the sounds of the fans inside the shed, which is good. So, but it does, if you don't talk, it cuts off the audio, which is also good. So it doesn't like do like auto volume level adjustment and then start picking up sound, like noises in the background. So this is a noise canceling microphone, which is very nice. I don't know, I'm impressed. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Again, we're about to hit 20,000 subscribers. That's a huge milestone for JoeteckTips. I'm very excited. Thank you everyone for joining JoeteckTips and becoming a subscriber. Big thank you. Once we hit the 20,000 mark, I'm going to have some sort of a giveaway and of a gift card or something. And it's going to be an amazing milestone. I thank you very much for everyone. This will definitely be in the link in the description below to purchase. It's very inexpensive, worth the money. Buy a couple of them for your friends. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
In the world of bytes and bits, where tech can make a strip, there's a guru with a knack for every digital tip. JoeteckTips the name, he's the one you'll seek. From gadgets to software, he's the one you'll meet. So if your tech's in a tangle, don't you fear. JoeteckTips here, let his advice draw near. With his help, you'll surely find in this digital world peace of mind. JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land. With his wisdom and his wit, every tech woe will surely fix it.